We're doing a lot of summer research. I've got a bunch of students in the lab. A lot of the classes I teach are good background material in some of the things that I do in my lab. And so I get highly motivated, interested, and excited students who want to take what they're learning from the theory to actually doing in practice. The projects that happen in my lab are all stemming from our interest in trying to understand how stem cells differentiate and make different organ systems.
My project is concerned with the genes in the excretory system of planarians. They're a type of flatworm. What I'm doing is I'm knocking those genes down to see how the animals are affected, and then I test them in different ways to see what exactly the gene is doing for them.
My job is to take stem cells from one species and isolate them and then inject them into another species. Our goal is to watch them differentiate and proliferate and see if they can turn into the cells of the other species as well.
Honestly, it's been a lot of trial and error in having to really use my problem-solving skills.
It's always great when you have those eureka moments where something hasn't worked previously and we get to be the first people to actually get to see this thing in real life. So I think there's a lot of excitement within discovery.
When you do get the results that you want, since you've gone through so many failures, it's so euphoric. It's awesome.
For anyone that wants to go to healthcare, it's important to know that it's not all just patient-facing work and that a lot of the important stuff happens behind the scenes.
I really wanted to do research just because I've been debating between doing an MD or an MD PhD, and I wanted to see if research was kind of my thing. And I really enjoy it.
The reason that I came to St. Norbert is because I wanted to be able to make relationships with my professors and be able to have mentors that actually want me to succeed.
One of the things that a lot of students are going to need are really strong letters of recommendation for no matter what career path they're going down. And this really gives us an opportunity to get to know students extremely well, that we have a lot to say specific to the student that make them much more competitive for getting some of those sorts of career opportunities.
St. Norbert does a great job making sure that their students are well-rounded. I think that research is really important to get involved in outside of classes because it really helps develop the person.